Hi Sparkle Squad! Hi Sparkle Squad! So you have a new name. It's not Hey Guys anymore, it's Hey Sparkle Squad. Today because in my last video, you saw the fidgets that I got then in the indoor fair. I went to the indoor fair 4 days ago, I think it was. Yeah, because it's Wednesday now. My room's right now getting decorated. But I just wanted to show you all my fidgets in my fidget collection. I've got a big giant box and all of my poppets here. Yeah. So, oh yeah, and my hair is curly. I curled it last night. Yeah, my cat's just, yeah, on the couch. So let's get started, starting with poppets. So the first poppet that I've got is this butterfly one.
No, this one. It's on the house. No extra cost.
It's cute. And then, as you saw in my last video, you saw that I got this big one. And then I got this and these are all the ones that I already had except that one. Yeah. So I got this square one. This mini unicorn. Talking about unicorns, here's a like normal poppet unicorn. The pops are really big and cute. Cute? How are the pops cute? I mean, the design's cute. Yeah, I'm just getting mixed up with my words today. Cause like everything's on my mind with like decorating and stuff like that. Oh, and in my last video, as well, I said that my friend Fran made me those bracelets. She did, and she gave me one that I showed you. Well, she's got a channel, Unicorn Kitty Pops. So subscribe to her, and also subscribe to me, the notification bell, and like this video in 5 seconds using your nose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. If you did it, give yourself a pat on the back, and let's get carried on. So I got the circle one. I got this poppet little watch. I got this. Now this I think is called an octaflip. Not the other thing that I said was an octaflip. Yes. And then I got this Mickey Mouse poppet that I got yesterday. Among Us poppet. Yes, Among Us is dead. Sorry people who like Among Us. Flip. I got that when Among Us was actually in. I got this. This was actually the first fidget that I actually got. So this is really special to me. Never going to be trading this. And then I got this popsicle poppet. Really nice. I've actually got a Ludo poppet. This is a game, so it's good. Yeah, and I do have a camo print top. And in my next video, I'm going to be doing a loom band bracelet thing, and then the next is going to be a flexibility challenge. So yeah, so that's all of my poppets. And then next I've got this Orby stress ball. It's very cute. And then I got this from Southport Fair. Like a meditating thing. This is the thing that I said was an octaflip in my last video. I really don't think it is. Correct me in the comments like I said in my last video. What? Where's the other thing? Yeah, I'm just putting them like at the side of me, as you can see, right smack in the middle. What one is called an octaflip, and tell me the other one. Now moving on to dimples. So, I got this Among Us dimple. I got this star rainbow dimple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. Oh, and I've got this triple dimple. And it's a really cool design. Oh, cute. Got a single weird monkey noodle. Dun, dun. This is a chunky monkey noodle. Chunky monkey noodle. Oh, and try to say triple simple dimple 3 times fast. I can, but I know some people can't. So let me see. Triple simple double, triple simple double, triple simple double. Can you say it 3 times fast? If you can, comment down below that you can. But if you can't, comment down below that you can't. So, yeah. That's not... Oh, this actually has a funny story that I need to tell you. Right. My auntie, Jen, if you're watching this, you know what happened with this big... Because you're the most amazing part. As I said in my last video, she gave me 19 nuggets. Not 16, 19. 16 is still a lot, but I mean, 19? I didn't eat those extra nuggets. Nope, I did not eat those extra nuggets. Oh, I'm right now in my house. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so, basically, I was on my way to Butlins in, Skegness. Yeah, and, we decided to play catch, me and my auntie. Yeah. Oh, and my name's Caitlin, by the way. Yeah, if you didn't know already, my name's Caitlin. And we were playing catch, and it went over the rail, so it went onto the train tracks. And our train came. We missed that train, but we got another one. Thank God. But he had to give me the burger back. But it got a little bit of scars, and KR is my name. I'm not telling you what my last name is, but you know that it begins with R. Yeah. Oh, I got this, I got this dude. This, Orbeez dude. So it's cool. And then, talking about dudes, I got this neon yellow thing. Somewhat, and then, yeah. Cool. And then I got this squishy dude. Cute. And then I got... Why did I put it back? And then I got this squishy cat holding a dead fish. I got my snappers. I got these 2 little squishy globble bears. Cute! And then I've got 2 pairs of magnet rings, gold ones and primary colors. And they work, you probably already know, but if you don't, they work by just like messing around with them. So yeah. Why do people keep texting me, Mom? I've got this puzzle ball. I know some people don't know how these work. So let me get closer, and I'll show you. Yeah. So can you see her legs? My cat. There she is. She's moving. Right there. So basically, you've got. So let's have a look at the red one. So see the red one. Yeah, and see the way there's a hole. Let's move the red one to the hole. See? And then you can like mix them up, different colors. So it's really cool. That's why it's called a puzzle ball. Then I got this marble and mesh. It's different colors. So I've only got 1 marble and mesh. This snake. If you don't know what a snake is, it's just those. But I like to keep it.
Now you're going to take the straw to the balloon.
Got it. All right.
Right. I don't know how to get it back, but I can. This is not even a fidget. It's just a ball. Belle, did you put that there? She probably did put that there. Got my pea popper. This one's actually a good pea popper. This one's actually good. Like, it's got oil in it, so it's actually really good. Then I've got this dimple spinner.
We can absolutely do it again. Maybe on our next date.
It's cool.
It looks like Zoe's actually having fun. I mean, I thought FGM was.
Oh my god, this pop tube. It's a hot pink pop tube.
Do you think he actually has
It looks more light pink than it is actually. Let me stretch it.
I love looking up really cool life hacks.
But look, it's a jumbo one. Doesn't even fit on camera. I have to twist it. Nee, big smiley face. But yeah. I got this global blue one. Oh, and here's my box that I'm actually going through. I got this runaway global. I got this squishy glitter ball, and it's dark blue. Let's squish it in front of the camera. And I'm right now on the floor next to the telly unit, next to the King Charles. Say hi. Hello. Next to the telly monitor and next to the DVD cabinet. So it's pretty cool. Shake it. There it goes. Cute. Why does it keep running away? I got the, oh, this is so cute. I got this sloth squishy. I don't know why some people say that squishies aren't fidgets. How are they not fidgets? I got this fidget spinner football. I got this when I went to Wales with my two cousins, Leighton and Madison. And then I got this Galaxy fidget spinner dimple. Let me get my... So I got this Lucky Track, this Lucky Track, and this Lucky Track. I think they're called Wacky Tracks. Yeah, Wacky Tracks. Then I got this fidget pad. It's really cool. I could only find the red and thing one. I know there is like a rainbow and black one, but I only got the red one. But I think it looks better. Then I got this fidget spinner. This fidget spinner. This fidget spinner. And this fidget spinner. Then I got these two. I got these two simple dimples. So here's the traditional one, but it's got a nice pattern on it. And then I got this one, which you saw in my last video. Pretty cool. And I just like connecting them together. You know, because they're both simple dimples. Just feels right. Got this water snake. This is impossible to keep hold of.
Honestly, I got this off the Paws and Dog channel.
This is actually a really good DIY hack, don't you guys think? Zampian, so he still doesn't know that
Right,
this
there's
is
that.
Agent R, so don't comment that. Whatever you do not.
So I got this DNA ball. I got a shaggy DNA ball.
You guys, it looks like they actually finished. This is great. That was actually
Got this infinity cube. And it's a galaxy one. It's pretty cool. And I'm sorry, in the last video they sounded different. My tooth was wobbly. It came out today, so great. Good that I'm getting off the tooth fairy today. So, yeah. I got this color changing needle. So it turns from pink to purple to blue. So it's good. And yeah. Oh, and for the shout outs, shout out to let me go on my phone. Sorry.
Great. She didn't even know this decorations think? Okay, hold on. I'm done playing that. Let me see your wrist.
Pink Star is purple. Shout out to you. Thank you for commenting on my videos. So in my next video, I will give another shout out. Oh, and here's a Christmas Rubik's Cube. And this is the last thing this swirl need out. So let's put it all back in. Bye-bye. 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 This is really good. Just grabbing more and more stuff. Let's actually put this pop two back together. Let's actually try and get this back together.
Yeah, let's reset. Wow, you're really good at this.
Thank you.
Yeah, you got 4, but I can teach you how to get a strike.
Seriously?
Rebecca, on my game. All right, so you got 4.
There you go, I got it back.
Maybe you're gonna win. Oh, man, I didn't even hit the cup.
Did you do that on purpose because I'm wrong? Did you let me win?
No, I just thought you might.
Oh, and I said in my next video I was doing the loom band bracelet video. I am. So these are the 2 loom band bracelets that I've made so far. This one's a thick one, and so is this one. This one's for my stepdad, and this one's for my mom. Don't tell him that. Fruit that we say.
So in third place, who would you give that to then? Really?
Yeah. So
second place goes to.
that's all from me. Let me try and get my cat real quick.
5-day challenge with the ultimate life hack to do at your home when you're bored is empty up with the balloon straw. Yes. But if you had to choose, who are you leaning most towards right now?
Here is my kitty cat.
Yeah, this last round, Zoe, is the big surprise. Yeah, really.
Here's my big giant catty. Aww, she's called Belle. She's really cute. You can go. I know this is being going for 17 minutes and 39 seconds. So I don't want to bore you anymore if I haven't bored you.
So it's the real agent.
Yeah, I just want to see who's stayed till the end of this. So if you stayed till the end, I want you to comment down below, whale shark. So if you have made it to the video, to the end of the video, and don't skip to the end. If you skip to the end, I really don't like you because this is the end of the video. So yeah, this has been going on for 18 minutes now. But yeah. Oh, and I just want to show you one more thing. So I've got this shine little brat thing, and I've got my shine trophy. I've still got more medals in there, but I don't want to bore you anymore. Yeah, so don't forget to comment down below if you've made this for a whale shark. So, yeah. And I'll say it again. Sorry in my last video if I changed to American and then Scouts, American and then Scouts. I think I did it in this video as well. Sorry. But yes. Yas. What's yas? I've never heard of yas before. So yeah. So I'm not saying hi guys anymore. I'm saying hi Sparkle Squad. So yeah. So I'm saying hi Sparkle Squad instead. So that's all for me now. Just have a nice day. Do 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 do.